Good morning and a very warm welcome to Phil Weaver Automotive, based here in Merebrow between Preston and sunny Southport. And this morning I am delighted to showcase this beautiful Mercedes-Benz CLA 180 Sport. It's the four-door variant of the A-Class. Beautiful car throughout, finished in mountain grey. The car was registered in 2018, it's on the 18 plate. The car is the 1.6 petrol, 6-speed manual, and having covered just shy of 22,000 miles. Please use November Delta 18 X-ray Mike Oscar for your registration number if you're looking to obtain a quotation through Go Compare or Compare the Market. ND18XMO. Just going to take you around the vehicle. Please refer to our website, as I'm just going to run through some specification details, but just in case I miss anything, you can check out on the website www.philweaverautomotive.co.uk. You'll see 100 photographs, a nice write-up on the CLA, and also the video. So just to take you through some spec details, we've got the 18-inch 5 twin-spoke alloys finished in Himalaya grey. The car comes with Apple Play and Android Auto, so that's Apple CarPlay, sorry. It's got the Audio 20 CD radio, media interface, electric door mirrors, remote central locking, daytime running lights, attention assist, which is the parking sensors front and rear, side skirts in the body colour, mountain grey, ambient lighting and Bluetooth connectivity, plus much more. We've also equipped the vehicle with privacy glass, so you'll see this in the video shortly. It just finishes the car off, having had the privacy glass fitted last week. Just a lovely example. The car has just come back from our local Mercedes-Benz specialist, who has just carried out a full service, which is the B service on the Mercedes. So she's all ready to go. We've also had the important pre-delivery inspection done by our local independent dealer, just up the road from us, who look after us for all our servicing, MOTs and repairs, and as I say, the all-important PDI. We've just taken it to the local Mercedes-Benz specialist because they're able to place the service on the digital service system that Mercedes-Benz now have. We have over 35 years of experience and knowledge of the industry. We are very passionate about the motor industry, passionate about our business, and passionate about the service that we provide our customers. We have over 300 5-star reviews on Auto Trader, our website, Facebook and Google My Business, so please check out our reviews. As we say, every review is a customer's experience, and certainly at the moment with the COVID-19, unfortunately our customers are unable to come onto site and into the showroom, so we are currently offering click and collect service plus free UK mainland delivery. You can reserve the car online with a £99 deposit. We will then be in touch to confirm whether you wish to whether you want to have the collection service, where we have a click and collect bay on site, or whether you would like us to deliver your vehicle, and we will talk you through both processes. Just to enter the boot. Great size boot. We have The tyre mobility kit, Mercedes-Benz first aid kit, and the all-important locking wheel nut key. We often get asked, where's my locking wheel nut key after a customer's taken delivery, so there it is underneath the boot floor. We have a little stowage and compartment to the left hand side. We also have the warning triangle at the boot there. So CLA, really sharp looking car. As I say, it's the 4-door variant of the Mercedes A-Class. Just, as I say, it's just outstanding. We've bought this vehicle from a private customer, so a private seller, and like I say, the vehicle now resides with us. And having put the car through our processes, we have now had the vehicle valeted and is ready for marketing. So you're seeing this fresh out of our preparation process and onto our YouTube channel. See the privacy glass in the rear there. As I say, it just sets the car apart. We like to ensure the cars are a little different with the specification details and the added touch of the privacy. Rest assured, there are no pet smells or tobacco smells in this car. It's been very, very well looked after, cared for, and this fabulous interior with the sort of blue and grey fleck in the seating. It's lovely with the fixed headrests in the rear as well. This one is adjustable. You'll see the reverse sensor in the back of the roof, on the roof, so you can view that through the rear view mirror. Fabulous head restraints built into the seating. So we have the auto lock, power door mirrors, electric windows all round, and the boot release. We have the illuminated Mercedes-Benz plate. We have the adjustments for the seats. So this will take you forward and back. We've got the cushion tilt, which just supports your legs. We have the cushion tilt, and we have the height adjustment as well as the recline on the seating. Again, you'll see there's no wear and tear on the seating at all. We've got the darker headlining, which really does complement the interior, and the interior complements the mountain grey metallic exterior finish. I'm just going to jump inside the car. We have the tailored Mercedes-Benz mats front and rear. Just close the door. We'll just straighten the wheel. So 21,975 miles exactly. We have the auto lights. Just see if we can get that in focus. 2 keys, importantly. We have the book pack and the locking wheel nut key, as you've seen. Auto wipers, multifunction steering wheel. We have the nice large screen, which the function comes from the button here, as well as the buttons on the radio CD. So currently we have Rock FM, which is our local radio station in Preston. We can click onto media, which I'm going to come off now because that has a tendency to stop our video. So coming off that now, I'll go into the vehicle details there. Nice and warm in here. I've had the car running for a few minutes. So radio, telephone, all hooked up with my phone. We like to check out the system's operational functionality. Let's say the CarPlay, because the Apple CarPlay, because I'm using my phone to hook up and take the video, I can't utilize the Apple CarPlay, but please look at the pictures on the website and you'll see that's that clearly displayed in the photos. We have the 6-speed manual gearbox. Reverse is across, up and down, very straightforward. And that's the 6-speed box. We have the 12-volt charger with, I suppose we could say that's for coins today. The cup holders. We also have the cable, that's for the, I think the Android phone. It requires, yeah, you'll see the connection there. It requires the Apple cable, and you plug in, looking at this video, it's the bottom one for Apple Play, and that takes everything off your phone and puts it onto the screen here. So you can use your satellite navigation from your phone and have that streaming through to the screen instead of the Navi or the navigation. As you'll see, no memory card. You can obtain the cards which go in the SD card holder here from Mercedes, but simply saving money and utilizing the Apple Play or the Android Auto, you can utilize the facilities from there. Got a good sized glove box. I love the vents with the chrome like surrounds. We've got the vanity mirror with the lighting. Got the auto dimming rear view mirror. Just fabulous car. Really is in lovely condition. The passenger side also has the support on the seating for your legs. I'm hoping I've covered everything off there. As I say, please refer to the video. Sorry, please refer to our website for any specification details. It's been a pleasure showing you around the car. I'm just going to take you around the vehicle one more time. All our cars are sanitised and deodorised prior to collection or delivery. We do all the touch points, which are all sanitised. I noticed the fuel light was on the vehicle, and rest assured, if we are delivering or you are collecting, there will be plenty of fuel in this car. It's a pet hate of mine. Why should a customer collecting a vehicle have to go to the fuel station as their first port of call? Certainly if you are not from around the area. Please check out our reviews. As I mentioned, each review is a customer experience. 312 reviews on Auto Trader. It just builds confidence for our customers. Please give us a call. Happy to talk anything through. Please use the social media channels if you wish, subject to your communication style. You can give me a call on the landline 01772 396 528 or the mobile 07817 463 888. You can contact us via the WhatsApp, via the website, Messenger. We are contactable. You can email us as well at phil@philweaverautomotive.co.uk. Give us a call, drop us a text. It's been fabulous to show you around the car. If you've any questions, as I say, please get in touch. Thanks again, and look forward to catching up with you soon. Thank you.